Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Phantom price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and drop your questions and comments below. I will be glad to answer it. So starting with Phantom, on the daily chart, as we can see here, we have already finished an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, where we can start a wave 1 or a wave A. After this, you are looking for a three-wave corrective, of course, for Phantom before you move towards the upside. Now, can we count already here three waves? It is very possible that these could be a finished three waves where we are looking at wave A here and then B and a C. However, this doesn't really look like really nice. I mean, it's a zigzag because we did not take the low. However, everything is possible, guys. So in your bullish scenario, of course, you are looking towards the upside. However, when you look inside this wave here, you are looking again for three waves towards the upside. And that is not really impulsive. And that gives us a sign that we did not finish our correction yet. And in that case scenario, I would call this a 1, 2, 3, and then a 4, 5 possibly. And then you are looking for an A, B, C, or even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a perfect impulse finished and not truncated. And then A, B, and a C towards the upside. Whereas this, it might be, of course, a regular flat or a WXY since it has finished, of course, in a zigzag. And in that case scenario, of course, we are looking for 5 waves to finish this correction. And in this case, now you are looking already at short 5 waves where it might have finished and it might not. It might play your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, to finish your wave C and an A, B, of course, and a C here, A, B, C, of course, for correction and then move up. Now, what I would like to mention here is that because we are looking here at this price action, that it looks like much more even corrective, again with three waves towards the upside. However, lately we have made some fifth waves. Therefore, it can still be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a contracting diagonal. However, your wave 5 is really short, right? I mean, look at your wave 1, look at your wave 3, and then look at your wave 5. However, even it is a very low possibility that this is a contracting diagonal because your wave 3 is even higher than your wave 1. As you can see, we have touched the 1-to-1, overshooted, and that means it's not a contracting diagonal. It cannot be a contracting diagonal. It can be only an impulse as 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a 5. Now, your wave 5, of course, is very short, even shorter than your wave 1. Which normally, you should have a bigger wave 5, especially if you have a short wave 3. However, it is still considered as an impulse, but what I see is it could be a wave A rather than a wave 1. And what I mean with this, it can be, of course, here an A, and then we are looking for a B, and then a C, of course, as a contracting, not contracting, as possibly WXY, right? Because you already have here also three waves towards the downside, 1, 2, 3, or possibly, because you have three waves here. It's very complicated with Phantom, but I mean, you can count here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, 5. However, it can still look like a zigzag with an extended wave C, right? It can still be corrective. This is what I mean. So the things are that, if we finish a wave A here, we finished a wave B, and we might have still finished in a wave structural zigzag, right? Which is a W, X, and Y. And this is what it gives me here, a scenario that we might not be in an ABC, but we are possibly in a WXY. Let's move this. So, W, but in that case, I wouldn't take the impulse, I would take it as a zigzag, right? Zigzag, W, X, and a Y. Because, I mean, it's not possible to have an impulse as W, yeah, in this case scenario, but that might explain this weird action here, the price, right? It could be a zigzag as a W, and then you are looking, of course, for an X in zigzag, and then another zigzag as a Y. Yeah, so these are the possibilities, of course. Now, if we are bullish, if you are bearish, guys, look at this price action where we're gonna dive deeper in the 1 hour chart, of course, to look what's going on, to get confirmation, yeah, because this might give us a confirmation now. If you are bullish, you want to consider this as a 1, yeah, as a wave 1, and then 1, and then a 2, and then 3, 4, 5, of course. Your wave 3, what is the 3? Here we go. Your wave 3, of course, has to be, of course, after a wave 2, because anyway, now we are looking, even if you are bullish, guys, you are looking for lower prices, yeah, so this is a good thing. You are looking for lower prices, at least the 0.38 Fib level, to reach the wave 2 and then move up to the wave 3. If you are bullish, of course. If you are bearish, you want to dive deeper, deeper than these Fib levels. Very simple. So we are looking for lower prices in both case scenarios. However, if you are bullish, you want to retrace, of course, somewhere here. If you are bearish, you are going to continue to break these levels and continue, and probably as a zigzag. So probably it's gonna be one impulse towards the downside and finishing there. Yep. So these are the things. So I'm gonna remove this, it's too much. So ABC and then ABC here, right? Or it can be, yeah, an A B, and a C, exactly. Yeah. So these are the things. So let's mark it as A, B, and a C. The C is already there. Okay, let's just put it then, A, B, C. Okay, and in that case scenario, I would remove this. Okay, let's just leave it. Yeah, so these are the things. What we are looking for is an impulse, possibly. Let's put the path here. If we are bearish, we are looking, of course, for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course. In that case scenario, you want to reach yeah, low here. And if you are bullish, you are looking for 3 waves, guys. Okay, you are looking for 3 waves towards the upside, then continuation. We're gonna put this in green label. Here we go. And we remove this one. Okay, so these are the things. Now you might yeah, we might move in 3 waves down or in an impulse. It will tell you already what's gonna be. Yeah, if you are 3 waves down, corrective, hitting some of the Fib, moving towards the upside, getting the signal, the 5 waves up, 3 waves down, then moving up, then of course this is your confirmation of a bullish scenario starting. If you move here towards the downside and you see a broken level with a 0.78, definitely you want to trade this as a bearish. Of course, after finishing the bearish scenario, even you're gonna see higher prices, of course, because you have anyway finished your A, B, and then you're looking for a wave C towards the upside. So let's move and dive inside the 1 hour chart, because the 1 hour chart, as you said, it might give us a little bit more clue what is going on. So inside the 1 hour chart, yes, we are looking at a possible here ABC, as we said, as an A also, where we have reached here a 1-to-1 Fib level. However, we reach after higher, of course, for wave 5, and possibly we are looking, of course, for lower prices. Now, if we look here in the 1 hour chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, no impulse. 1, yeah, even this is higher. Did we took the high? No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, this looks like a corrective for me, and we didn't took the high yet even, so very possible that we still want to take this high, right? Because we didn't took it. However, yeah, this might be a corrective channel here. And if we take a look here, okay guys, I got a better idea here. We might still be in an impulse, we might still be in a wave 5, possibly because this could be your wave 3, where you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, and you might still looking for at a 4 and a 5 towards the upside. And that because we didn't took the high first. Second, we are 3 corrective waves. Third, we cannot be a contracting diagonal. This is an expanding diagonal, the most rare scenario that you might have. So I doubt it, of course, that we are expanded diagonal here. Therefore, finish 3 corrective waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as 1, 2, then 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. Therefore, much higher possibility now is to move towards the upside still on the 1 hour chart, of course. And yeah, as you said, inside the 1 hour chart, you can see much more clearer stuff. So as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A, B, and a C. So possibly even finished a correction. Possibly you would like to hit, of course, for the wave 2 as an impulse, you would like to hit the 0.38. So preferably that you still look for one more trend towards the downside. But let me check. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Yes, sorry, this has ended here. Then yeah, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your first wave A, and then B, and a C. Probably hitting your perfect fib levels for a wave 2, and then continuation towards the upside. So this is the highest possibility now, in case we get it. Now what would happen in the daily? Again, let's go back to the daily now, since we saw a little bit closer. If we get higher prices, what would change on the daily? On the daily, we would get a much clearer impulse as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, which it can still finish your wave 1 and 2 and then move towards the upside again. Yeah, so yeah, higher possibility again is for your bullish scenario, even on the daily. Yeah, of course there is still the bearish scenario that I talked about it, but higher possibility is for your bullish scenario, where you want to still look for a higher prices first. Here we go. Simply extend the paths. In that case scenario, you are looking for one more wave towards the upside, and then 1 and 2, and then 3, 4, 5. That's it for Phantom. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.